possible by you. Previously on Sailing Aquarius, we enjoy Langkawi and leave Malaysia. We leave Langkawi in the morning. Our last passage via Malacca Strait is 148 nautical miles, and it's another 24-hour overnight sail. We are not super happy to sail in Malacca Strait overnight, but we don't have many choices. The day sail was quite uneventful, watching few fishing boats going by and later admiring beautiful sunset and evening colors. Where at night it was a bit less enjoyable, watching carefully for many and thankfully brightly lit fishing boats. One of them was heading straight at us while we were under sail, and it changed its course only when we hailed via radio. Coming into Phuket. We arrived up North Phuket, and the first thing we had to do is go to check in into Thailand. Captain Ken.
We're driving on the wrong side of the road.
Again?
But it looks like everybody else is driving on the wrong side too.
We just checked into Thailand. So tell your so far success about the Volvo Penta. What did you find out today?
There's a possibility they could give us a really good checkup on our Volvo Penta and take off the cooling system and make sure our cooling system is good, because we were just overheating just 5 to 10 degrees. So we're going to make sure our cooling system is A-okay before we take off.
That would be good. Since we rented a car to go check in, we also decided to run some errands and visit our favorite spots in Thailand.
Wow.
Deja vu?
Nice.
And that is how we got stuck. Our engine was taken apart and the parts were to be delivered to Europe, where I am flying to get my passport done. But during all that time, we cannot move anywhere else, so we're just doing some errands while in the anchorage.
Where are you going?
To the airport.
And then?
Lithuania.
What do you have to do that for?
I have to change my passport because there's no visas for no places for the visas.
All the way to back to one country.
And meanwhile, Ken has his friend Dave coming visit him and keep him a company while I'm gone. Boys, no fighting.
No biting?
No fighting.
I'm the producer of the newly upcoming action videos from sailing aquariums.
I wonder what kind of videos, but I guess I will find out.
Cultural videos.
Very nice.
Local culture.
Very nice. Oh, what a smile.
Are you sad to leave Aquarius?
Yes, but I know you're in a good hands.
Dave had to walk.
Yeah. Thank you. So are you sad that I'm leaving?
Yes,
You are?
but you have things to do. I'm happy that you're going to be bringing some parts back. What are you bringing back?
Engine parts, turbocharger, starter,
Elbow.
elbow,
And the thing that shuts the engine down.
oh, I didn't know that. So there are 4 pieces?
Oh, there's more than that.
Here, I'll do the Japanese.
So nice just being a passenger. What about you, babe?
So nice to be just a passenger.
Oh, and there's a departure here. This is right here. Is it? No, this is car park.
If not, we'll go around again.
There's signage here. It's horrible.
This must be it. Oh, that's arrival.
You need to get up top to get on departure.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road.
With Zivile safely aboard the plane to Lithuania, Dave and I take off for a road trip up to Khao Lak.
I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind.
Might be able to see Aquarius down there. And the river. Oh, I can see the...
No, you gotta go down and back up the way to get to Aquarius.
There's Aquarius right down there. Welcome to the mainland.
Through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
The dogs take the best place.
Just you and I, singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside, gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance.
Nobody? I just stand up by that ticket window then.
Our main engine aboard Aquarius was dead. For now. And Dave really wanted to go see James Bond Island. So we started looking for fishing boats to take us to James Bond Island, but we couldn't find one. So we ended up going to Crown Plaza to a buffet.
We have buffet outside, inside, or you can eat on the
Okay.
price only $3.99. And after you can join our swimming pool. We have 2 swimming pools, one by ear, one by the left hand side.
Okay.
Good. For the next couple days, we worked on the in-mast furling. And to see that, you gotta watch Tips on Tuesday.
Just pulled in to Southeast Asia's Sales. They're gonna be doing some work for us.
Hello, hi, I'm Robert. My father, myself, and our cell designer Tommy, we set up the business about 2.5 to 3 years ago. We focus on making sails, cruising sails predominantly, but also some racing sails. And in addition to that, we do a lot of soft furnishings, marine canvas, and other things like that. Right now, we're most probably making about 200 sails a year, and then constantly doing lots and lots of canvas work, from tiny little things to fitting out super yachts.
So we're gonna get a cover made for our outboard. We're gonna get a cover made for one of these and 2 of these. So the sail looked okay.
Yeah.
Got it all fixed up, right?
Yeah. So what we did was there was a bit of sun damage to the luff tape or the bolt rope. So what we've done is we took the webbing strap off and put on a new bit of tape around here, keeping the existing rope in place of the bolt rope, and then sewed it back up.
Awesome. So there's our sail. Well, I just replaced the sheet adjustment lines, and I made those all black. And you see what I did here? I put zip ties around this and around this, just for an added protection, just to keep this from running around. And I don't really want to tie this knot that tight, so if I have to undo it, I can just cut this and then undo the knot here and then undo these all easily. So that's why I did that. Also here I have the zip tie right here, but what I want to show you is we're also going to be changing all of these inserts. So each hole, you have to get all this stuff out. So I'm just using a screwdriver, but probably have to get the vacuum cleaner up here. And after I get done getting the stuff all out of here, then I can vacuum it out.
The look of the track really bothered me for a long time, but now it looks great.
So, we made it to Patong Beach. I was here, what, about 14, 15, 16 years ago? Right after they had the tsunami. About a week after they had the tsunami, we were here. And it was much different, to say the least. I think it looks pretty nice now, and this is Dave's last night, so we had to come down to Patong Beach to see the what? Lady Boys.
Ken's girlfriend Fred lives here.
Sit near the band. Let's go check out the band.
Okay, go.
Jersey. Hit it in the head. That was the last one I shot. I was shooting in the head.
This is American guy shooting a gun pathetically, where if he was a true American, he would be much better than that.
Come on, Dave, it wasn't that bad.
What's the name of the street, Dave?
Bangalore Road.
Bangalore Road.
Whoa, that's enough local culture for one night. So Dave and I pulled into Molly's Tavern and had a drink, and then headed home. With Dave's departure, that left me all by myself. But Z gets back next week.
If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.
They said they came from Spanish.